how to send a DM on Twitter. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can send a DM on Twitter. So let's go ahead and start. Go ahead and open your Twitter. When you open your Twitter, I want you to look below your Twitter app. On the bottom of your Twitter app, you see a sign of a mail. Just click on that. When you click on that, this is your messaging section. So this is where you see your message requests. If you click here, these are people that you don't follow that you don't follow that have tried to send you a message. So you can check here for a message request. Here is a message of people you follow and they follow you back. So you can go ahead and send your message if you want to. Go ahead and send your message. This is how you can send a DM on Twitter. However, if you can't find the person you want to send a DM to, go ahead and search on the person. When you search for the person, for example, I want to send a message to this account, I can go ahead and click the account. I will advise you to follow the account, but you don't really have to. When you follow the account, go ahead and click on the mail app showing on top of the profile. Click on that and send the person a DM. Just know that when you send this DM, guys, it's going to be in the message request. This is because the person does not follow you. However, if you send this message, if I should send this message, this person will see it here in his message request. I hope this is self-explanatory and you understand how to send a DM on Twitter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on